What's up, Kern County? It's Ryan Nelson, and you are watching Kern Living. On today's episode, we ventured outside of Kern County for a good cause. The Anaheim Ducks are hosting Women in Sports Night, so we thought we might as well bring one of our homegrown talent and to come meet the panel and to come talk to everybody and get some advice on what it's like being a woman in professional sports. With that being said, we got to ask Mom, are you ready?
I've been ready for this since the day she was born.
We have to ask our student athlete, are you ready?
Yes.
All right, let's go.
Okay, so I am a multi-sport athlete, and people often tell me that if I play both sports or pursue both of them, that it would hinder my success. So what would be your advice? Like, what advice would you give on pursuing both and all of my goals?
If you're passionate in what you do and you are the best, no one's going to tell you to stop doing something. So if you're at the top of your game in both sports, then you go after both sports. You just go after your dreams, because nobody knows who you are and nobody knows what you're capable of. So don't ever let them prevent you from doing something that you love, that you're exceptional at, because you don't even know how far you can go until you continue to push yourself.
Thank you.
So the words that you said have literally moved moms and daughters, as you can see, to tears tonight. What advice would you be able to give some little girl that's watching back in Bakersfield about pursuing a career in journalism?
Oh, you know, it's wide open. It's so great. Now women of all ages are getting opportunities to prove they belong. And they should not be afraid anymore. You know, back in the day, women were scared to follow their dream. When I meet young people, I always tell them, don't let anyone tell you no.
And for that first step, for the kid that's in high school that's taking TV production and they want to get into television, what would you say the first step should be?
Practical experience is the way to go. Not looking in a book, okay? So practical experience, do as much internships as you can. Don't do it for the money. Do it for the love of the game, whatever game you love.
So there's a lot of student athletes in high school that are thinking about pursuing sports journalism or sports management. What advice would you be able to give to them?
Try everything. Take the little assignments. I think they talked about, they hit on that in the panel, was take any opportunity and make it your opportunity. You know, that's what you have to do. Try not to brush things off or be so nitpicky that they just leave, because once they're off the table, sometimes those opportunities are off the table. Take your chances. Be a risk taker, because ultimately that's what's going to build you to become better at what you do. You know, whatever your goals are, surround yourself with people that have the similar goals or want the same things, because you're going to have to lean on them. But then, you know, they're not going to give you a hard time if you make a decision, you know, for yourself that's going to take you in that right direction.
Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you follow us on all social media platforms at Kern Living on Facebook and Instagram, and myself at Ryan Nelson 23. There's a hockey game going on, so we're going to watch, and I'll see you next time.